What's in the news? These celebrities are really wilding out. I am telling you, what in the world is going on with Diddy? Diddy is involved in everything. He's got his little pinky toe in everything. And this Jada, how badly do you want to sell your book, honey? Because you just throwing poor little Will under the bus. If you hated a man so badly, you should have divorced him, but don't do him like that, Jada. My goodness. I knew Will should have stayed with Sheree. Or Sheree, what's her name, folks? Sheree or Cherie? But he should have stayed with that woman he got with this Jada Pinkett Smith, who claimed she loved Tupac, but she couldn't have a relationship with him, and he asked her to marry him, and we never heard about that until this book came out. Now, according to OK is an online news source. They said that, well, they posed the question, did Will Smith and Jada Pinkett Smith ask Jennifer Lopez, yes, guys, J-Lo, to have a threesome? I'm telling you, it's just getting from bad to worse. So Diddy appeared on the Jimmy Kimmel live show October the 31st. And I can see the wheels in Jimmy Kimmel's head just rolling around. I'm not the one to gossip. That's pretty much what he was saying. I'm not the one to gossip, but guess what? I heard, and I gotta ask you. And this is what he asked him. The comedian suddenly asked him about a weird story that is surfacing from back in the day, if he was going to knock out Will Smith for asking J-Lo to have a threesome with he and his wife, because at the time P. Diddy and J-Lo were in a relationship. Now this is all alleged, folks. We don't know if it happened or if it didn't, but it's all over the web. That's the newest trending topic. And he said you were gonna knock Will Smith out because he wanted a threesome with J-Lo at the time you were going out with her. I don't know how true it is. This is what Jimmy Kimmel was a legend. I don't know how true it is, but I gotta ask you. Inquiring minds want to know, and this is what P. Diddy said. And you guys are well aware that any video that he did in the past that has to do with any sex, everybody wants to know his thought pattern on it, since he's been alleged to have done all these things to Cassie. So Diddy was telling Jimmy Kimmel that he just got a new baby. But I noticed, I don't know if you guys notice, he knows how to wiggle out of situations. Let's see how he wiggles out of these lawsuits. Anyway, I digress. Let's continue. You know, he just got a new baby. He's a father again, and he just released a new album. And, you know, this is before he was the villain. Now he's the villain. Nobody wants nothing to do with him. But a couple of months ago, he was embraced by the world. In any event, in the latter part of the interview, Jimmy Kimmel says, speaking about love, I heard, and this is what I heard. I gotta tell you, because you're my guy, okay?
Speaking of love, this is love. I saw a guy on the internet the other day who said he used to be your security guard, who said that when you were dating J-Lo, Will Smith and Jada tried to pick her up on a threesome and you were going to beat up Will Smith. Is that true?
This show's gotten crazier since the last time I was.
No, it's all about love, though. That's not true.
You really heard that?
Yeah, I watched it on the internet. You're telling me I can't believe everything I read?
What? I don't know what you're talking about. Jimmy, I thought we was friends. What is this?
I know J-Lo is saying, please keep my name out your mouths, because her name is being brought up a lot. And I'm sure she don't want that, because she's trying to maintain this squeaky clean image. And now that she's married to Ben Affleck, she don't want to be attached to Diddy anymore. She never really wanted to be attached to him anyway, because after that club incident with the shooting, she distanced herself from him and she dropped him like a hot potato. That's when she started to rebrand herself into this squeaky clean J-Lo, because she knew she dodged the bullet when that shooting went down in the club. And from then on to now, she's been trying to maintain this squeaky clean image. But recently, with all that's going on with Diddy, look, her name has been coming up a lot along with some of the ex-girlfriends. But what I want to know, did JLo ever wear those white nail polish on her nails? That's what I want to know. I got to look at some old pictures to see if she have white nail polish on. Because we know that indicates the FOs that he liked. The women had to wear the white nail polish. And let me tell you, Cassie's not the only one who wore the white nail polish, okay? I've been noticing quite a few of the exes wore white nail polish. Cassie did say it was his thing. He likes the white nail polish against the black skin. So, a lot of the women wore that white nail polish. Or maybe they just wore white nail polish because they like the color. You know, it's not always about the FOs because they wore white nail polish. Maybe Cassie wore the white nail polish for Diddy. Or maybe the other women just wore it because they liked not white nail polish. In other words, what I'm saying is they did not wear it because they were involved in any FOs. I don't want no lawsuit coming this way. This is all alleged. And now that her name is being brought up a lot, I know she's cringing. Guys, drop your comments. Tell me what you think about this rumor that's going around on the internet that there was supposed to be some type of threesome with Will Smith and Jada and what's her name? JLo. It didn't actually happen, of course, but it didn't stop people from talking about it. Allegedly, this is what the Smiths wanted. I guess they get down like that. And it's all alleged, but I really don't know. I don't know these people's business. There's a lot of stuff that's being said about the Smiths, and they're tight-lipped. They're not coming out and saying yay or nay. So your guess is as good as mine if this story is true or not. If you want to comment on this story, drop your comments in the comment section. And if you did not subscribe as yet, please do so at this time. And don't forget to hit the like bell. I'm over and out. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.